Hi there, after a long walk, let's check another World War II relic in this particular chapel. Come on, join me. So this looks like a chapel that is rarely used. Right, here's our relic. So another World War II relic. Vintage bomb. Check this out. Right. Because we are in a place that used to be a World War II battle site. There. What could this bomb be? Chapel is kinda requiring some repairs and reconstruction. You can actually hear the surge of water here. Let's check it out. So apparently it's also a place with water. Let's check it out. Seems like indeed the place needs some refurnishing. Just have to be careful with our moves lest we step on some nail or rusty nail. Let's check inside. So there. This is a World War II relic indeed. Let me show you another relic that I found a few minutes ago. Also a relic. Check. Here. Another 50 caliber slug that I found earlier. Right, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. Thanks for joining me, and check my other videos on the outdoors, hiking, exploring World War II sites in the Philippines, blade culture, etc., music, literature related posts. Thanks, and remember, the pen is mightier with a sword.